Come to the wall and place your roller behind the middle of your back at your waist. Step out away from the wall about a foot. With your feet parallel, bend your knees and come down into a squat and press back up. Inhale, exhale, back up. Inhale, press through your heels up. One more. And then pause in your squat, reach your hands behind your head for cat-cow. Curl forward, chin to chest. Inhale, extend back. Exhale, wrap your ribs, draw your belly to your spine. Inhale, extend back, open your heart, look back. Exhale, curl your tailbone to your belly button. Inhale, extend, open, and exhale, come to center. Stand up tall. Place your feet out, hip width apart, reach your arms forward. Inhale, bend, exhale, press back up. Inhale, bend, drop your hips straight down below your shoulders, wrapping them back toward the wall. Then wiggle your feet together, parallel, and cross your right ankle to your left knee for a figure four. Inhale, bend, exhale, press back up. Keep that left knee steady over your left ankle. Then extend your leg and switch. Left ankle to right knee, inhale, bend, exhale, press back up. Keep the alignment square from your hips to your shoulders, right knee over right ankle. Come back up, extend your leg out and stand on both. Now place your feet together in Pilates V. So heels together, toes apart, heels high. Inhale, bend, exhale, press up. Inhale, plie, exhale. Direct your knees in line with your toes, your hips straight down towards the floor, and press and zip together, squeezing your legs straight and strong at the top. Then hold your plie and pulse. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. Arms out, press straight up, heels down. Place your feet wide into a second position plie, toes turned out, in line with knees. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, zipper, straighten your legs. Inhale, exhale, zip straight and strong, press the floor away. Inhale, bend. Exhale, wrap your ribs, draw your belly to your spine. Keep your heart open, your shoulders down, and your body vertical. Now, we're going to add a side bend to it. Inhale, plie. Exhale, stand up and reach one arm over your head, the other arm down by your side. Look up under your upper arm. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lift. And again, inhale. Exhale, stretch up. And one more, inhale. And exhale, come back up. Place your arms down by your sides. Let's take the roller out from behind our back, switch it out, and grab a set of hand weights. I have 4s here today. Coming to the wall for a wall squat in a parallel position, flattening out my spine and shoulders to the wall. Starting with arm circles, inhale up to the front, out to the sides, down and around. Palms face in, and then out, down and around. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down and around. Feel your shoulder blades staying on the wall, your spine between your shoulder blades staying on the wall as well. Inhale, exhale, around and down. Then reverse. Inhale out to the sides, exhale forward and down. Stand through your heels, keep your pelvis level, keep breathing. Inhale, lift, exhale, engage your core. Again, inhale, lift, and exhale, around and down. One more, and around and down. And go ahead and roll yourself away, chin to chest, peel all the way down to your hips. Set your hand weights on the floor, and then wind your spine back up onto the wall. And get ready to do the 100. Curl into a 100 C curl. Wrap the front of your ribs and begin pressing and pumping. Inhaling 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 30. Keep drawing your belly to your spine and pulling your ribs in. 50. Inhaling 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 60. Keep going. Stay strong through the back of the arms. Stay strong in your legs and continue to breathe and expand your rib cage. Inhaling and exhaling. When you get to 10 counts, you've done your 100. Exhaling. Inhaling And exhaling. Inhale. And exhale. Roll yourself all the way down, stretch your spine, and then roll up one vertebra at a time. Let's finish this exercise sequence strong by turning to the wall for push-ups. Place your hands on the wall about shoulder height. Make L's through your index fingers and thumbs. Step out about 3 feet. Turn your head to one side as you take 3 to 5 push-ups, pressing, bending your elbows wide, keeping a nice strong shape, and then turn your head the other way. Remember, tight is light, tight is strong. Draw everything together. And exhale to press. And come back to center. And thanks for watching. Great job today. I'll see you next time.